If you think early retirement is only for the rich, think again. Financial freedom in just 7 years is possible even starting from zero, if you have the right plan. Most people never get there, not because they're lazy, but because no one ever gave them the roadmap. Today, you get that roadmap. First, before you make a dollar, you need your freedom figure, the amount of money you need invested to stop working forever. The formula is simple: your annual expenses times 25. If you want $50,000 a year without working, you need 1.25 million invested. That might sound impossible, but it's about a mindset shift. Stop chasing cash flow early on. Start chasing wealth, assets that grow while you sleep. Every extra dollar you earn shouldn't sit in your bank account. Send it to work in things that appreciate: index funds, new skills, a small side hustle. Your goal is to build a snowball big enough that it eventually rolls on its own. Next, you need a foundation. Trying to retire early without one is like building a house on quicksand. You need 4 pillars. Pillar 1, kill bad debt. High-interest debt is a wealth killer. Use the debt avalanche method. Pay minimums on everything and attack the highest interest loan. You cannot invest your way out of 20% debt.
Pillar 2, your emergency fund. Before investing a cent, save 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. This cushion prevents one bad month from forcing you to sell your investments at the worst possible time. Pillar 3, build credit. Your credit score is your financial resume. Use a card for gas or groceries and pay it in full every single month. And Pillar 4, reduce your taxes. Use the accounts designed to save you money, like a Roth IRA and a 401k in the US, or an ISA and SIP in the UK. This is exactly how wealthy people legally keep more of what they earn. With your foundation set, it's time to accelerate. Imagine your job is a single wooden beam holding you up. If it breaks, everything collapses. Now imagine 5 beams. Side hustles aren't optional anymore. They're insurance. And the best ones come from skills you already have. Think video editing, copywriting, social media management, or a small service business. The rule is simple: the more value you create, the more you earn. If your work helps someone make money or save time, you will always be in demand. Once you build consistent income from these new streams, the entire game changes. This is where a 7-year retirement becomes realistic.
You turn your active money into passive money. The cycle looks like this: your side hustle builds cash. Your investments grow that cash, and your lifestyle stays simple. Your goal now is to plant as many money trees as possible. First, index funds, the most reliable machine for long-term passive wealth. Second, and carefully, cryptocurrency. A small portion, maybe 5%, in established names like Bitcoin or Ethereum. This isn't gambling with meme coins. And third, real estate. It's a wealth multiplier, using tenants to pay your mortgage while the property appreciates. But be careful, leverage cuts both ways. The earlier you start planting, the sooner these trees grow big enough to support you. Retiring in 7 years isn't easy, but it is possible if you stay consistent, disciplined, and intentional. You don't need luck, you need a plan, and now you have one. If you want more videos that help you grow your wealth step by step, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.